So here I got a little compilation. I know the monkey looks kind of funny here, so I had to add that in. Then I got a receipt from Amazon, finally an order that came all the way from Germany. I didn't even realize when I first ordered it where it was coming from, but anyways, so overall got it now. So yay! And then a little compilation too, pictures and stuff, and Southern Railway picture near the end, of course, on its valley job when it was on eastbound and going up the hill. So yep. Anyways, this is what it is.